Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to change miles to kilometer in Google Maps. It's very simple and useful. Now let's start. First open Google Map on your phone. If I search anything in Google Map, then it show the distance in mile as default. See here, as default it show us in miles. If we want to show it in kilometer, then we need to tweak this change. For this, tap on this, then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on distance unit. Now tap on kilometers. After selecting kilometers, now we can see any things in kilometers. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.